Samantha sat alone in her dimly lit study, the rhythmic clatter of the old typewriter echoing in the silence. It had been a gift from her late grandmother, an antique with a mysterious allure. As she typed, words flowed effortlessly onto the page, weaving stories that felt all too real. But tonight, something shifted. The air grew dense, shadows danced in the corners, and a chill crawled up her spine. Ignoring the unease, she continued writing. A character she created, a sinister figure with hollow eyes, began to take on a life of its own. With each keystroke, the atmosphere thickened. Outside, the wind howled, rattling the window panes as thunder rumbled ominously. Then the lights flickered and went out, plunging her into darkness. Panic set in as she felt an icy breath on her neck. She turned, heart racing, to find the character from her story standing behind her, its face twisted in a grotesque grin. The typewriter clattered as if typing on its own, and Samantha realized she had lost control. In a final, desperate attempt, she tore the page from the machine. It read, Samantha's last words echoed into the night, never to be heard again. The room fell silent, save for the typewriter's haunting click, now devoid of its writer.